Hey guys, welcome to my video where I will try to give you an answer to a question you might have, and that is, do workout bands build muscles? Now, before we go into details about how can this little workout tool help you to build muscles, please give me a like and hit the subscribe button. That way, you will get notifications when new video will be uploaded on this channel. And if you stay till the end, you will see one of the best training methods of building muscles and toning your body using only a tiny toning tool. So you all want flat abs, lean legs and firm butt without ever lifting another heavy metal object at your gym. Am I right? But you are not sure if you can build muscles with workout bands. Well, I have searched all over the internet and found out a great information. You will like this one because here are the findings that were published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research. The muscles worked in your legs when performing squats or seated thigh exercises with plastic bands are the same and sometimes greater than when using standard weightlifting equipment alone. Isn't it great? That means that these mini bands have much more advantage to sculpting your body compared to a traditional weightlifting. See, weightlifting relies on gravity to tone your muscles. For example, when performing a squat or an arm curl, the weight only has one direction to go, vertical, up and down. This is called a single plane of resistance and limits you from activating the supertoning muscles hiding deep in your body. Plus, single plane exercises add a lot of pressure to your joints, causing aches and pains in your knees and elbows, swelling in your ankles and wrists, and painful injuries and chronic joint pain. However, mini bands don't need gravity, giving you a wide variety of body sculpting movements you could never have with plain old weights. Even better, you can change the emphasis on your muscles during any exercise just by changing the direction you pull the bands. Research from Brigham Young University shows you can target the trouble areas on your thighs or on the back of your legs and bums simply by changing the pulling direction of the elastic and during squat or stepping exercises. Of course, you have to know what you are doing and how to use these workout bands properly. And that is why I have found this mini band workout for you. Simply click the link in the description below this video. This program was developed by Tonya Fines, personal trainer, mini band specialist and coach at Critical Bench, which is one of the most trusted fitness publishing companies in the United States. As a woman in her 40s, she searched high and low for new exercise solutions to get a strong and sculpted body without wasting time or aggravating the joints. So you will be in a great hands there. By now, you should be sure that workout bands do build your muscles, but they do it gently. And if you want to take care of your body and wellness, you should be doing only exercises that improve your movements and prevent injuries. So head out to Tonya's website because she will share with you the 3 worst mini band mistakes that will ruin your results. The link is in the description below this video. And yes, show us some love. Please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Have an awesome workout with mini bands. Thank you for watching and we will see you on the next video. Bye bye.